Ever wanted a giant movie screen at home without spending $3,000? A projector that works in bright rooms, lasts over a decade, and never needs a new bulb? Today, we're answering one question. Is the ViewSonic LS740HD worth it in 2025? No hype, no fake reviews, just the truth, straight from the specs and real-world performance. This is the ViewSonic LS740HD, a full HD laser projector with 5,000 ANSI lumens. And here's the big deal. It doesn't use traditional lamps. Instead, it uses a sealed laser phosphor light source, rated for up to 20,000 hours of life. That means if you watch 4 hours a day, it'll last over 13 years without needing a replacement. Zero maintenance, zero hassle. And it can project images from 30 inches all the way up to 300 inches, perfect for transforming any wall into a cinematic experience. What really makes this projector special? First, 5,000 lumens. That's not just bright, it's built for real-life environments. Whether you're watching movies during the day or giving a presentation in a lit conference room, the image stays sharp and vibrant. Second, 3,000,000:1 contrast ratio. Deep blacks, rich colors, and incredible detail, especially in dark scenes. Third, smart setup features. You get 1.3x optical zoom, digital zoom, vertical and horizontal keystone correction, and even 4-corner adjustment, so you can fix image distortion even if the projector is tilted. And yes, it supports 360-degree projection. That's rare in this price range, perfect for creative installations or tricky spaces. So how does it perform in real life? For gaming, it handles fast motion with minimal input lag, and it even has a golf mode for simulators, great for virtual golf enthusiasts. For home theater, the picture quality is stunning. Full HD clarity, deep contrast, and vivid colors make every film feel immersive. For business and education, plug in your laptop via HDMI, connect a speaker, and you're ready. No complicated setups, no blurry text, just clear, readable content even in daylight. Let's break down why this model stands out. 5,000 ANSI lumens, brightness that fights ambient light, 20,000 hour lifespan, no lamp replacements ever, full HD 1920 by 1080, crisp, detailed images, 2 HDMI 1.4 ports, connect 2 devices at once, laptop, game console, no lamp, lower power consumption, more compact design, compact and lightweight, easy to move and install. This isn't just a projector, it's a long-term solution built for real use. So, is it worth it? If you're looking for a reliable, low-maintenance, high-performance projector that delivers real value, then yes, the ViewSonic LS740HD is one of the best options in its class. Sure, it's not 4K, and it doesn't have Wi-Fi or smart features. But if your priority is brightness, durability, and no future costs, then this projector hits the mark and then some. In 2025, when most projectors still rely on fragile lamps, this one already offers a future-proof experience. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button. It means a lot. And if you want more honest, no-bullshit tech reviews like this, subscribe. I'm here to help you avoid bad purchases and save time. Oh, and if you decide to buy, please use the link in the description. It helps me keep creating content. Every click supports my work and gives you access to more reviews faster. So if you can, use it. I truly appreciate it. Thanks for watching. If you're thinking about upgrading to a better projector, the ViewSonic LS740HD deserves serious consideration. Is it good? Yes. Is it worth it in 2025? Absolutely. It's one of the best values out there. See you in the next video.